Jay, andiyan ka pala. Bakit? May nangyari ba? May problema ba?
I'm sorry, Yuri. I'm sorry. Maniwala ka, sinubukan ko talaga.
Ano bang sinasabi mo?
Sorry. Sorry talaga.
Jay,
Pero si Kiefer talaga eh.
alam ko. Alam ko si Kiefer talaga. From the very start. Kagaya kay Ella, nagbaka sa kaalinan naman ako. But again, I'm wrong. Defeated by the same guy. I'm not stupid, Jay. I knew it already from the day you said yes to me. Hahawya is not lying when she said that she saw you and Kiefer. She just saved us from embarrassment. And I also know that you make out with him at the restroom. Andun din ako nang gabing umaming ka sa kanya. If you're asking, how did I know? The answer is simple. Kiefer is not the only one who have ways. I want you to leave now. Ayoko makita ka.
Yuri.
I will let you continue your relationship with Kiefer. But when our wedding day comes, you'll say I do, no matter what. Or it will be the end of the Fur Corp.
Yuri, masasaktan ka lang.
What's the point? You're already hurting me. Trust me. At the end of the day, you'll still be mine.
Yuri, please.
Jay, umalis ka na. Leave. Now! Parehong-pareho kayo ni Ella. Paasa.